How to uninstall or remove voice access language in Windows 11. Windows 11 voice access supports multiple languages, but most users don't need them all. In this guide, we'll show you how to remove unwanted voice access languages and share a few tips to make deployment and setup faster and cleaner. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites to keep in mind. Before you get started, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Some steps may require system or network access. The language pack you want to remove must not be set as the system default. Method 1. Remove languages for voice access via settings. This method is ideal for self-service scenarios or when accessing a device through remote desktop protocol. Open settings from search or by pressing Win+I. Go to Apps, Installed Apps. Find the speech pack language you want to remove. Click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm the prompt. This immediately removes the selected voice access language pack from your system. Method 2. Remove languages for voice access via a PowerShell script. PowerShell scripts make task automation and software deployment fast and efficient. Open Terminal, PowerShell as an administrator. Run this command to list installed speech packs. Find the package full name of the speech pack if you want to remove. Remove it with close terminal when you're done. Things to look out for when removing language packs. If something goes wrong, review these scenarios to help resolve errors, prevent system issues, and reinforce policies. Risk number 1. Removing the wrong language pack. Removing the wrong language pack can lead to issues, including the loss of required voice access functionality for a specific user or region. If this happens, the fix is simple. Just download and reinstall the needed language pack. Risk number 2. Uninstall the default or system preferred languages. Uninstalling a default or system preferred language can cause unexpected behavior in accessibility tools or lead to UI inconsistencies. If this happens, the solution is simple. Just add the language back through Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region. Removing unused assets is an easy way to improve system performance and user experience. If you're managing a Windows 11 device, uninstalling extra voice access language packs can help declutter both personal devices and managed environments. For more information, check out our official blog post on voice access language linked in the description below.